Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to draw Q. You can also watch our previous videos from the link given in the description box below. And sorry for posting video late. Q is completed. It's time to draw Queen. For Q, I am using dark green and orange shade. For Queen, I am using black color, deep yellow and light pink. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to share this series with your kids. Thanks for watching.